Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to unarchive a project in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. Now, first step, let's say I want to archive this project too. So I will right click and click on Archive Project. Now, let's say I want to bring my project back, I will do exactly this. Click on Projects. Now click on Browse Projects. Here, set the status to archived. Now you should see all of your archived projects and click on it. And then simply, as you can see, this project is archived, so click on Restore. Now your project is back between non-archived projects. It is actually really this simple to bring it back. So let's say Browse Projects, status archived, and as you can see, it is not here. So it is back from archive. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.